we've talked about the assembly bondsman, that they must have 21 pieces of silver, but is that actual 21 silver dollars, or is it the equivalent of 21 Federal Reserve notes in the form of silver?
When you think about this, the best way to think about it is, what does a bondsman do? A bondsman holds the money, and he's kind of keeping the money ransom depending upon a set of circumstances, right?
Mm-hmm.
The money is being held there as a bond
Mm-hmm.
to make sure that there aren't going to be any frivolous cases brought forward, and there aren't going to be court cases left over that are not unresolved. You know, there are a lot of reasons why you bond a case. And so what our courts have always required is, for a jury trial, you have to have 21 silver dollars
Okay.
at risk, or the equivalent thereof in gold.
Okay.
Now, over the last 150 years, that 21 silver dollars is now something like 500. But still, that isn't an unreasonable bond to place on a court case, because if it's something that's worth less than $500, the question then is, why don't you just go over and have your friend Jake moderate and see if you can work something out? You know, if it's less than $500,
What's the point?
it probably shouldn't be in court. Let's put it that way.
Okay.
Links to Anna's articles and resources can be found in the video description box. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing.